Our nation is truly very sick, and we cannot, even as our children did show to us this afternoon, we cannot try those who are not yet experienced enough to deal with the issues. If you are sick, you look for a very competent consultant. You don't go to the doctor who just graduated yesterday. Nigeria is truly very sick, and we are confident that PDP has brought the best drug at the moment, the best medication to take care of Nigeria. I'm proud to be one man who is lucky to work with somebody who we all know in Nigeria as a strong bridge builder, somebody who is ready to unite our Nigeria, and somebody who believes in the rule of law. I'm proud to work with a man who has the needed experience both in security and intelligence, and who is ready to take Nigeria from the depths of where we have found ourselves to the proper place that we ought to be, starting on the first day, May 29, 2023. You can only do this when you have the needed experience. The Nigeria of today cannot afford a president who will learn on the job. And therefore, we must be proud as a party because we have presented the best. And we are glad as a party to speak truth to this.